Good day, everyone. I think every single person watching this has felt it at some point in their life. No good deed goes unpunished. It's a cynical saying, but man, it carries a lot of truth. We have all been there. You see a problem, and instead of walking away like everyone else does, you step in to help. You act out of pure honesty, kindness, and responsibility. You don't do it for the reward. You just do it because at that time it felt like the right thing to do. And what happens? The universe loops right back and bites you. Suddenly, because you tried to fix it, you're the one holding the blame. Because you chose to be honest, you actually became the target. It's a heavy, frustrating, and sometimes incredibly isolated feeling when your clean intentions are rewarded with conflict and sometimes with actual disrespect. When that happens, something shifts inside of you. Perhaps it shifts inside of you, the viewer. You get hit by a massive wave of frustration. You look at the situation and you think, why do I even bother? Why am I playing by the rules, acting with integrity, and pouring my heart out when the world just doesn't care and they step on it? The dangerous part of this experience isn't the trouble outside, it's a temptation inside. The temptation is to become cynical. You want to build a wall around yourself, turn cold, and say, from now on, I'm only looking out for my number one. Let the world burn. I don't care. I'm staying out of it. And honestly, nobody would actually blame if you did it. It's exhausting to fight for what is right when it costs you your peace of mind, your time, and your energy. But that is exactly the moment where your real character is weighed and tested. Here's the realization. We all have to reach if we want to live a life of true purpose. Integrity is not a transaction. If you only act with honesty and do good deeds because you expect a smooth ride or perhaps a thank you, then you aren't operating out of integrity. You're operating out of a contract. You're trading a good behavior for good circumstances. True integrity means you do the right thing because of who you are, not because of how the world will react when you do it. It means that even when the setup gets completely messed up, even when people misunderstand you, and even when you get punished for your kindness, you look it in the mirror at the end of the day and know that your actual hands are clean. You refuse to let a broken, crazy world dictate the rules of your inner soul. So, if you're going through a situation right now where your honesty has costed you, or a good intentions have brought you into trouble, don't give up. Don't let them change who you are. The world doesn't need more people who shut down and turn cold. The world desperately needs people who are strong enough to take a hit, dust themselves off, and wake up the next morning still committed, and acting with true honor and respect and integrity, obviously. Hold the line, guys. Keep your heads up. Keep your character intact, and let the chips fall where they should. Your integrity is the one thing nobody can take away from you unless you give it away to somebody else. I've been through the same situation lately, and I wanted to speak to you about this today because it really bites me sometimes. So thank you for listening to me today, where I reflected on the situation. Let's keep it real. Let's stay strong in the trenches. And as always, let's keep it real. And I'll see you guys in the next log. Lekker bly. Bye bye.